Gonna do a cold start video and walk you around to the engine. I originally thought there was some noise coming from either pulley or bearing or something like that, and I had to check that. It's been checked with the previous owner too. That's the sound that supercharger has made seems to. You hear it kind of quiet down as it drives, but that's not an issue as far as all the exercise sectors are concerned. Certainly will require what the little truck is just really amazing.